exactly what I was hoping for. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That looks beautiful. Good morning, everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make great pizza at home. This is my own personal recipe that I worked on for years, and I think this is the best pizza dough recipe for the home cooks like us. So the first step is to bloom the yeast. We had the water at 105 degrees, which is perfect. 2 grams of yeast in 1 cup of water. Let it sit there and do its thing. 105 grams of Anna type 00, 105 grams of King Arthur's or all-purpose, 105 grams of King Arthur's organic flour, organic bread flour, 1 cup of water, 2 grams of yeast. Let's make this pizza. I used to mix everything by hand, but I got older advisor, and now I use modern technology. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all these 3 different types of flour in the mixer. We're gonna make sure to take 1 big spoon out of each and rotate them all the way in. Like that. And then we're gonna let the mixer do its magic. Alright, it's taking shape already. Yeah, that looks beautiful. This is exactly what I'm looking for. Now that our pizza flour is done, it's all mixed up, it looks good. Now we're gonna move on to the next step. Take the oil. You gotta put the oil in the bowl. Make sure you cover it all. Sides as well, or it's gonna stick. And then all that work is gonna be for nothing. Alright, so you're gonna take it out. You're gonna shape it into a round ball. Alright. Once that's done, goes right in here. Make sure you cover it with oil all around, or it's gonna stick again. Then you're gonna have problems. You're gonna blame me for it. Now it stays here for an hour, room temperature, your kitchen counter. Alright, this is what it looks like. It's all said and done. You're gonna wrap it cellophane, leave it on your kitchen counter for 1 hour, and just wait. See what happens. So after 1 hour rest on my kitchen counter, this is what the dough looks like. And I'm happy to report it looks amazing. Pull the dough out. So now what we're going to do, we're going to cut this in half. We're going to make 2 dough balls out of this, okay? The first we're going to do this. Put some oil here. We're going to oil these 2 plates. All right. Now that that's done, we're going to cut this in half. Cut it in half. Okay. Take one. You're going to roll it like this. Okay. You're going to roll it. till it looks like that. It's nice, and see how it's nice? Now, don't forget, you have to close the belly button on the bottom. It's really important. You have to close it. This is what it looks like. This is what it's going to look like, okay? Going to go right on that plate with the oil. Roll that on all sides. Get it covered real good. And there you go. Okay? That's what it looks like. I'm going to do the same thing with the second one, okay? This is what it looks like when it's all done and ready to go in the fridge. You're going to get 2 pizzas from this recipe, okay? This is what they look like before they go into the fridge. It's going to be a 24-hour cold fermentation in the fridge. And so the last step of this process is going to be, you're going to wrap this whole plate and the dough in a cellophane, airtight, and then boom, in the fridge it goes. All right, that's it, kids. It's all wrapped up, ready to go. 24 hours in the fridge. We make our 2 pizzas tomorrow. For our rise, your dough should look like this. Exactly like that. Look how beautiful that looks. This is ready to go now. Ready to make some great pizza. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.